Imagine having all the information about your building at your fingertips, from construction plans to maintenance schedules and everything in between. Hello everyone, and welcome to the incredible world of building information modeling, where imagination meets reality. In today's episode, we will explore the magic behind the most groundbreaking innovation in the field of architecture and engineering since computers were introduced. In just minutes, see firsthand how this impressive software is shaping the landscape and skyline of tomorrow. Discover how BIM revolutionizes project collaboration, saves time and money, increases safety and efficiency, reduces risk of errors, and makes impossible ideas possible. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Building information modeling, or BIM, is a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a building or infrastructure. It's a collaborative process that involves architects, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders working together to create a comprehensive 3D virtual model of a project. But it's not just about creating pretty 3D images. It's an intelligent, data-rich model that encompasses the entire life cycle of a project, from conception and design to construction, operation, and even demolition. The key aspect of BIM is its ability to integrate and manage information from various disciplines, making it easier for all stakeholders to collaborate, make informed decisions, and optimize the project's performance. So why is BIM such a game changer in the construction industry? Let's dive into some of its amazing benefits. Improved collaboration. BIM allows multiple stakeholders to work on a project simultaneously, reducing the chances of miscommunication and errors. It's a single source of truth for all project information, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Better visualization. With BIM, you can create realistic 3D models that help stakeholders visualize the final product. This not only helps clients understand the project better, but also enables designers to identify and resolve potential issues before they become costly problems. Enhanced efficiency. BIM streamlines workflows, automates tedious tasks, and reduces rework, resulting in time and cost savings. By having access to accurate and up-to-date information, stakeholders can make well-informed decisions faster, boosting overall project efficiency. Sustainability. BIM facilitates the analysis of energy performance and the selection of sustainable materials, contributing to greener, more eco-friendly buildings. As building information modeling has evolved over the years, different levels of BIM maturity have been established to describe the extent of its integration in a project. Level 0. This is the most basic level, with no collaboration or 3D modeling involved. It involves using traditional 2D CAD drawings. Level 1. This level involves a combination of 3D CAD and 2D drawings for production information, but there's still limited collaboration between stakeholders. Level 2. This is where BIM really starts to shine. Level 2 involves the use of a 3D model with individual discipline models linked together. The project's data is exchanged and managed using a common data environment, promoting collaboration and coordination. Level 3. Also known as fully integrated BIM. This level represents the ultimate goal for the construction industry. It involves a single shared project model that is accessed and updated in real time by all stakeholders. This fosters seamless collaboration, eliminates information loss, and streamlines the entire project lifecycle. To harness the power of BIM, there are various software tools and platforms available in the market. Some of the most popular ones include Autodesk Revit, a widely used BIM software. Revit allows architects, engineers, and construction professionals to design and document a building in 3D, while simultaneously updating the associated 2D drawings and schedules. AutoCAD. Another popular BIM software, AutoCAD is specifically designed for architects, offering powerful design and documentation tools for creating data-rich 3D models. Bentley Systems Open Buildings Designer. This comprehensive BIM application is used for creating, documenting, and visualizing buildings and infrastructures of any size, complexity, and type. Tekla structures. This powerful BIM software is primarily used for designing and detailing steel and concrete structures. Tekla Structures enables the creation of accurate, constructible 3D models that can be used for fabrication and construction. Navisworks. A project review software developed by Autodesk. It is used for coordination, collaboration, and clash detection. It allows users to open and combine 3D models, navigate around them in real time, and review the model using a set of tools for better understanding and collaboration. Many extraordinary buildings that exist today would not have been possible without building information modeling, which has spurred innovation in building processes, leading to cost-efficient structures with incredible designs. To truly appreciate the power of BIM, let's take a look at one of many real-world examples. The construction of the Shanghai Tower in China, the world's second tallest building, was an ambitious project that utilized BIM to overcome numerous challenges. By creating a comprehensive BIM model, the project team was able to optimize the design, coordinate various disciplines, and streamline the construction process. It was instrumental in reducing the building's overall energy consumption by 21%, while achieving significant time and cost savings. The Shanghai Tower stands as a testament to the capabilities of building information modeling in tackling complex, large-scale projects. Last but not the least, it is revolutionizing the way we approach construction projects. By providing a unified, data-rich, and collaborative platform, BIM is paving the way for more efficient, sustainable, and cost-effective buildings. So the next time you look at a stunning skyscraper or an impressive infrastructure project, remember that behind its impressive facade lies the incredible power of BIM, working its magic to make these marvels possible. That's it for today, guys.